What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the episode. If y'all can see behind me, it is not the same scenery. We are at the beach. I'm in the little sand dunes right now. We came here for a family vacation. I have 7 days at this place and I have a lot of videos planned. And the first video that I have in my head is to go catch some crabs. I think they're blue crabs. I'm going for any types of crabs I can. I have a special spot down the beach where I think these crabs are gonna be most concentrated at. I have some tactics how I'm gonna catch them today. I have to walk about a mile to get down to that spot, but I'm super excited. Zach and I are gonna go down there and try to see if we can catch some. I have all my supplies with me. The first thing we have to do is just walk down the beach and get to the spot. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Alright, y'all, I've been walking for about 10 minutes. Sand sucks really bad, but we're getting close to the spot. I'm seeing some water right now. Let's hope there's some crabs there. Okay, we just made this little pier. I know low tide for any type of fishing, crabbing is not the best because the water's low. But if y'all can see, this is an amazing spot right here and there's still some water left. So I'm hoping that I might be able to throw this little net out, drop it underneath this dock. Something might come up to it. I know crabs are super aggressive. They're gonna smell that little bait from a mile away. So they might come towards it, but we're getting onto the spot right now. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna set this thing up. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the gear I have with me today. I just have a bottle with 45-pound mono. This is what I'm gonna tie the crab net to. I have a bucket for what we're gonna catch, some little fresh mullet, and my actual crab net. And what this does, guys, I'm gonna tie my bait to the middle. I'm gonna drop it straight down. Once this sits all the way down at the bottom, it kind of closes up like that. As soon as they walk into it, I'm going to pull it up and they're going to kind of get trapped in here. We're going for blue crabs. I'm not too sure what they are. I'm going for any crabs I can catch. Let's go ahead and tie this together and let's throw it out there. Alright, y'all, so I have it tied on. The bait's going to sit right in the middle right here, and just so the crabs don't try to take it and run off, I'm just going to tie some mono around here just to snug it down. Now the bait's in there, it's tied up, so it's not going to go nowhere. So what I'm looking for right now is these little pockets. The water I do have in here, there's not that much, but there's a couple little channels still left in here to where there's probably going to be some crabs and some more bait, and the crabs are going for the bait. If y'all can see right here, there's a ton of little pockets, and you actually can't see the bottom too much because it's pretty deep. So I'm going to set up right here. I'm going to see if I can get something down there. So there's some crabs. Alright, y'all, we're going to drop this down. I'm just going to pick it up, let the current kind of take it a little bit. I want to try to get it underneath these little pilings. Try right there for a little bit. Spent a little bit of time there. We didn't get anything. Let's try this pocket right here. Send her down. All right, y'all, so the net sunk down to where I can't really see it, so that means there's a deep pocket right here. Let's hope a crab goes and walks on in. So what I think, guys, there's a ton of crabs down there. You can actually watch them walk in and then you can just pull it up. Because I can't really see down there, there is something. I don't want to spook us. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes. It's enough time, I think, for the scent to travel, and if there's a crab there, for him to walk in. We're gonna give it 15 minutes and I'm gonna pull it straight up. All right, guys, I just saw a giant crab walk through here. Hopefully he walks to my trap. He was about 6 to 8 inches. You should smell that bait and walk over to it. Like I said, y'all, I have a bucket with me, so I'm gonna try to catch as many as I can and fill them all up so you guys can see them at the end. So Zach's about to go fill up the bucket now. So I'm pretty sure we're about to get one right here. All right, y'all, so it's been about 15 minutes. Hopefully we still in the net. Let's pull it up. I'm gonna give it a good yank so none of them get out. And nothing. Yeah, they've been eating it. Yeah, they took the whole entire body except the head. All right, we know there's some down there. Let's throw it back out. Let's try it again. Oh, I got a little bit. Oh, I had a baby in there. It was a little guy, but I have one. Okay, guys, I see one giant crab there and one over there. My net's right here, so maybe he'll go around this little piling and find that bait. Oh, I got one. Cut my bait in half. All right, guys, once again, I just looked at my GoPro. I don't know if it caught it or not, so I just want to make sure that you guys get the capture. At least I'm in the bucket now. That is our first crab. He's about 4.5 inches. All right, y'all, I saw 2 more big ones. Let's throw that thing down there. When it sucks that I can't see any of the crabs down there, especially where I'm putting my net at. I want to try to aim for that deeper water. I'm seeing them crawl against this little bank right here, and it's so windy I can't throw my net to them. There's some giants on there, y'all. I'm seeing some about 9-10 inches. Let's hope one makes it to the crab net. Give me a crab. Oh, I got one. I'm stuck. That's a pretty big one, man. She's up. I really want to try to grab one, but these guys like hurt, and they say you can grab them from the back. They can still get you from the bottom, so I don't understand. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. That's the best y'all gonna get for right now. Oh, yep. Hope y'all saw him. Let's go ahead and dump him into the bucket. And he's in. All right, y'all, that's 2. Sling her back out. There are so many crabs down there, and this whole entire little canal is just filled with them. And there's got to be some, y'all, that could be 14 inches. I mean, these crabs can get pretty big. I think I'm not doing bad. I'm catching some pretty good sized ones. I guess there's one about 4.5, and that last one's probably about 5, maybe 6. So we'll get a better look at them at the end, and I'll try to grab one. But if y'all ever got pinched by a crab, Joker hurts. Let's try it again. Oh, I got another one. Oh, he's about to get out. Another pretty good sized one. And he's out. Oh no. Now I gotta grab him. Look at that thing, dude. That's why I do not want to touch it. Oh, he's got himself cornered. Oh, dude, they're fast. But go back in there. Or how about you just pinch the net, and I'll grab you like that. There you go. Oh, and he's off again. All right. Drop it. There you go. Things are mean, man. All right, y'all, I'm catching a lot here. Like I said, the tide's filling up, so I'm gonna try to explore, maybe try to find another pocket. There are so many crabs in here, so let's just keep them moving down. At the next spot, this is one of the places where when the tide was low, there was still a deep pool right here, so it should be the deepest spot as the tide's coming in now. I'll sling her out there. Because the tide's coming in now, I maybe let it sit for about a minute, 2 minutes tops. The last 2 times, y'all, we caught 2 crabs, so let's keep on doing it. All right, guys, let's try it again. I got one. That's a big one, dude. It's a different type of crab. He's not blue. Oh yeah, he is, but he's more orange. I don't know. He's squeezing my bait though. There you go. Now I'm gonna go for it again. Here we go. Oh, I got 2. Oh, that one got away.
Ooh, that one's got eggs on it.
I think that one has eggs on it, y'all. Tell me in the comments down below. I think that's what that is. So I don't want to throw her in the bucket, so I'm just gonna toss her back just in case it is. All right, drop. Drop. Oh, there she goes. I'll apologize. I really want to hold him and show you guys that one had eggs on it, but I don't want to touch them because, like I said, if you get pinched by these things, they hurt bad. They can make you bleed. At the end, I'm gonna try to hold a couple of them, but they hurt. How's it going? All right. Yes, sir. The piece of bait I have left is pretty little, and I'm not getting any more crabs, so I'm gonna rebait, put a bigger piece out there, and move spots so we can get another big one. Fresh bait, moving to the new spot. Been sitting for about 5 minutes. Let's try this one. Oh, I got 2 of them, and I had a fish in there. Some little babies. There's 2 more, y'all. Let's toss them in the bucket. Oh, he almost got out. There he goes. I got my last piece of mullet right here. Let's put it in net and try to get a couple more. This is super fun. If y'all are new to the channel, I do a lot of freshwater fishing. I came here for a week for a vacation. I just want to try to knock out as many cool stuff as I can. This is one of the ideas I had. There's so many crabs in this little cove right here, and couldn't even imagine how many fish are in there too. So I have a lot of videos planned for this whole entire week. I'm having a blast catching these crabs. They're mean. I don't want to hold them, but I'm having fun catching them. All right, y'all, let's try this one. Let's pull it up. Oh, that's a giant. That's 2 of them. Look at the size of that one. That is a big one right there. Throw them in the bucket. So we're about to go to the beach. I can show y'all and try to get some of these crabs out without getting pinched. If I do, it's gonna hurt, but I'm gonna try. All right, y'all, so all the crabs are right here. These guys pinch extremely hard. I'm gonna try to grab one without getting pinched, which can be hard. Maybe this guy's gonna be nice. All right, he's being cool right now. Those are the crabs we were catching, guys. I'm pretty sure these are blue crabs. This is a pretty good size one right here. He's about 4 inches. Y'all can see those giant claws. Those things can really get you. So that's the first one. We're gonna go and toss him back. I'm not gonna keep any. I just want to catch him for fun today. There he goes. There's a little guy stuck right here. There's a bunch of little small ones. There are some pretty big ones. I actually saw one of them did have eggs in the video. I tried to throw those back. I didn't see this one had it. Being pretty nasty. If y'all can tell, this one ripped one of its arms off, and there he goes. We'll toss him back in without getting pinched. I'm not gonna film me holding all of them, throwing them back, because like I said, I did not want to get pinched, so we're just gonna release them all right now. You guys get to see them go back. We're fighting it out. Alright guys, we just got done crabbing, and sorry about the wind if it's blowing my way. You guys know the beach. Wind is always going to be blowing at the beach, so I try to tuck myself in this corner. I had a fun day crabbing today. We're catching blue crabs, and I caught one that was more brown and orange. I don't know what it was called. Like I said, if you guys are new to this channel, I do a lot of freshwater fishing, so I don't know much about the ocean. I have a ton of things planned for this whole entire week. But guys, I highly recommend, if you enjoyed this video, go out to the beach. Those crab nets, I think it was like $10 to buy that. Just grab you some fishing line, tie it there, go catch you some dead bait, and go buy it at the store. Crabs are all in the ocean, y'all, so you can find a spot they're most concentrated at, like the spot I was fishing today. The current was coming in. It was low tide when I started. It got into high tide, and I was seeing a lot more crabs come in. Drop that net down there, and just maybe every 2 minutes, that's what worked for me today. Just pull it up. I think I caught 8 in this video today. 2 had eggs. I didn't keep any of them. I think for these blue crabs, it has to be 5 inches if you want to keep them. So guys, know that if you want to. Like I said, I have a ton planned for this whole entire trip this week. So guys, stay tuned. Once again, if you're new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button like always. And the guys who know that watch my videos, if y'all want to watch any of these, just click on one of these 4 and leave a comment down below. I appreciate it, guys. Lippin Bass TV.